Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Note: ensure that the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the solid-state drive in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and remove it from the static-dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Press the solid-state drive down and replace the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board.